Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Too much.
Me dey Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great ampo. Mbrenbren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too Much GH. Me did akose Japan. E brepi am bese me TV. Me hwe Too Much GH. Omo de move hey omo sports and as entertainment. Hey omo de move for. Mo koso show mo. No ni beji de bia. Me da ma say love you.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyene. Bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no mo nyame no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe Too Much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura
akwaba enkoma wasabe wo hweme e wo Too Much GH so menije pass masan animu ediesha na ye ko ye training issues nam wo man emu na ama owuso a enemy dim ebusuafo beka ya na watchi ashase ntokwa gidigidi bi man humeso no between Honorable Kennedy in Japan and ebiemu no Tracy Bache a movie actress na wo mu no entokwa ni nyina campaign message and a campaign platform Honorable enya ya wode edna so ebo Tracy Bache nsem a echem ya papa no saga no sakobo so wo bi ma Tracy Bache train wo format tesanya seketwa adapa de wo papa ni bi pa na Monday no so no Honorable Everton the teacher no adapa Tracy twa no Sunday no bre no wo man ahumu ai kakra to aso se wo ye no ho research na Wednesday no nko ba be to jana tes wo bi ehu na saste na no e wo te dina so twa no ka de eni wo de e de ema Honorable no na ni enim se enka enbrada no Honorable Everton the teacher so na te se wo no so ten wo bi enim no akompra they say the ekwa dey as a Tracy Boachetimia over Honorable amwakana no atum na entra enumre no Honorable ekota the sea show no what it to just say Ghana for a omutie na to the sea show na wo mo ehwe nim to metie na nu nsem no wo fa nche ne pa na empenifobia wo bu wo mo tete wo fere wo nimpa ene na kasa e di afa Tracy ensem no ewoni nti abayo no ensem no de wo mbo so biem na emom no me and one nana say nkofo no wo obu omo na wo mutu ne fu wetie nya sa pa de anka onu Tracy no de enka stri obetwi no wo fom no ho de be wie kra no na onya bebimpo ne wegina e wo oman no no wie na o sa de campaign message to ato say na nado yentuma no na ate say wo mboduma na eno na nam so man nkofo ka say da we de Honorable we kwa de yetimi say Tracy a finish show na say Honorable akoye penimu ate say woni ye Tracy Bache awoso aseno enya akatakata na onu peni na dikan na wa betwa ensem no so no what is the significance of this enenti ya tonsa e de afre Prophet Bernard ACM or has said that oni be di ekomo e de afa ensem no so niti ekobebia na bomodi aso efa wa twenche efa ye live chat no eso na share so Prophet mo akwaba
you so baba
bibia boko
ami adaroma adumde muslim mu aniti
Ede ase. Se bibia boko dia ene yetimi ekonkomo no mu prekope. So na me kan no ewo intro na yinim se Honorable any Tracy. Wo ma so ndokwemu de nya na asem. Na te se Honorable Wednesday ye tie ye chance ye betie de ono so be wo kan research awakoye investigations abako the Kumasi one thing so asuma my 1991 some be pay from aba yen kwetia honorable say we twa so na nsem na odi tu dwa no wo akoye osofo say na wo hunu
mamili kanda mo chief ase omo mo hwe chichiri ni benche media tie ni say number 1 oba ni hu yenyan Tracy Boache ni hu yenyan ena ewo so ohwie nyansa sebi mpreduasa ye papa kenere Japan onya kwala o wabobra mame kenkan koteshi bi on kan so kwa asore di o hwem no on se no nsanka okwa asore on tie ni yi eyo akohwifo bia na mo manga ne mkwasiade bia ye hu nyenya ye hu kan tie Bible Proverbs 30 verse number 20 os etibias o say agu paimuka 20 o say se oba ware se ni eni ekwantie eni odidi pepa no na o se mi mo musuo biara tio oba ware se eni se ne kwan etie ni odidi o owia no de ankechi pepa na o se mi mo musuo biara se bi mpreduasa hwe ye papa ni wa ba be ka adwami honorable metene so ma sori so ati ase opani sei na mudi edinwo ya tono so na mo group papa yi wan to pre ana me tucha ma papa no se wa ma me ka boni biara wa mie na ekire nyansa na esukọ no ma wei esukọ wa yo be wuntam o se onim bibia eya ombusa nyame ma mo ye tuatie no mo sori te se sa oba we no man che wa sa show. This is the way of Jezebel man said omotie umuade enka odi enka bibi kuranka fani se papa oye pani oye respected in the society or shadom now to be a group of papa no aguru ni nakedness ho oba jimi for e no be bie no ma on nada seven prediasa media me tu chama papa kene Japan ontwa so na etuo di akotwe enkotwe na sumduemra
odi for we dey Mr. Mami dem kakra asma odi kan dey say fata say wo ba no hu yenyan no dey me patcho me stress obetwe aside because me nim say woni na di nhia da no ko ade Mr. Twisan efamayo na yenko o twasa na
o me dey me ntwensa o baba
that be personal attack woni na di nhia da woni na nya encounter
me dey nya encounter say me yetia make kasa ni say me the Bible nenam Bible is speaking about prostitution ye kasetia nyame akwa bia on kasentia da act ni bia no ogina us Lucifer me pa to acha say enti why a man of God me fa say mo interview me say I was say me kan kore eni kwan say me dodon sam no ho Bible na kanitia okay can Proverbs chapter 7 verse 1 bepem 20 o kasetia the way of the ladies a man as a memo omu fa sa kwan no so Proverbs chapter 5 verse number 1 echo o kaseti ai bebre obobo so didi atem nyina ho Proverbs 26 verse 1 kosi odidi atem nko a
odi for we dey me ncho no but say wo kasa ebiem to asa be ka for afremu say oye prostitute me pacho eno nko aso trace sign because ye ni any proof of prostitution na wo bi sa wo betima
o me ni proof Bible na me proof
na say prostitution dia uka prostitution obi ka say obi a prostitute that say oba on member that edi akechefu no ye ni any confirmation of that
mate
enti bacho chesign
mate
na ye ko ekomono so biam ye nim honorable wo peni honorable ye nim say honorable Kennedy Japan wo be ma kokudofo asendie nu a eya ne kana otimi ka ne nia bi
nokora pa
ana osomu so wono otwe manso so a enye ne ochena asem ono ana ka na atente ono do da ye mienu pe ene wosom entokwa ene sika enti obi ope ntokwa otwe manso obi kakra wontie ne party members for kra suro na obi te say Tracy Boache say na offer na afna young lady wait be beto the trap nwa koke na asema no so abeso wo otwe na dapa otwe no fom na ono abo eja no ya na fo bi kata ono abo suro no obi tinu omo ka ntem smiri tu enum so so woni say obi tinu na because ka ono abo de ekenya ntem pa so say no twa na no so
on say Bible say Proverbs penia otena sema seduafo no yebuna nkarefo ka ho aya hun say aya empem bebere na nipa mpe Bible kenkan sabe die peniti wa ohun won tenten so akwala ugina tenten kwa ohun da sabe ye papa yi wa bobra o na ni afi owo ma wo mo ti se okora enti sabe o de umfo woni ntu bibia kwafo ni tu so oye pani sempe popani etia wo na so no wantia ne yi a o da me pacho wantia watia mi o da mpacho na so no brawo pacho aja se enti mi de papa na ye ne de watwe san de eye perfect perfect and me gini se mpanimfo bi na kasa unse sometimes enkwasi asem abufu no enkwasi asem akola sukonma of yesterday and me busa mo se asori ben pa na sa obai oko na why ba sofo ben pa ba anyway what you say situation uprise here no enkuso mutimi tenase entunifo se bia papa pani se bia kaso bi honorable oyoni monyamfo wa bobra enu so sa position na onu gina no enti na nka wo ba na enka wo de mi fansa wo so nyoma no wo be yedin o da waka mate wo de mpacho de ganto aba na tu akotwe de atwere but empty barrels make the most noise je me tip na masia fam
now odifo I said the old subon nya air contract trace so won no manya de honorable shase wo na mu baby why obi ani mo Ghana I said to sipachi de ukoka na waka na nko ade obeyi wa
ready e dan so
dabi enye ne sa but waye bi pa ma ye hu say papa no saga no shase on baseball so no twe baseball for obi ani say ever ne say omu na ade de dada no to be baby now honorable wonim time say we hu de akoso now wo ye wo campaign kokoka bia obetimi aye ana bia ntia ye ma okwan ne se tena so bi ma okwa ya asa akotwe abayo yi kro ya asem a onu so ni unni sa onu unni nkomo mfa no onu nya atakan bia na wo asa akotwe asem we e de be dina platform so eka na wo ni sa abayo no so right on to be defend no because se me nkan ye una baby me no ni chefe bia ye nya bibia amom enya ho na mdi msike didi na akweka wa asem na asa de me dia bem na no de na ehwenim pa na wo pefim ho
me da wano se uke nkan Proverbs chapter 10 verse 1 by tifiasem osi enhira ne nome enhira ene nome asase we so is either se obebra won so be ko na waye din aprepeninche since odun for nyuma bia obetwa nkwa na so ntem Proverbs 10 verse 1 by tifiasem osi enhira ne nome making kan number 1 to 2 pe osi na Solomon immebusam oso obanya nsafo ma na eja energy na oba kwasia eye ne na areho obanyansafo omane na anije tio na oba kwasia emane na areho obonefo akodie eye emfaso biara na tinifo ti onipa firi owuom entinka we are a good citizen of this country no se bia pani bi betia na so a fanyansa kwan oda de o kafa me hu de enimu sa se mpomatia na so de facha me na tu akotwere de yetwere ba we kan we yaka sabi mbredi asakere japo betima wo maami we o maami we kene japo betima wo no empo ne mebi wo ko mo ti so mo a edifo ni tu so papa e na oni na enya nenti eya mebusa ne se awofo be no wo sa maami
na ono so afere ni anto se ne ba no ne e kasa wa
ba Ephesians chapter 6 verse 1 eba o se enkoa o se munti ma wo fo asem wuradim na ye ne tane obey your parents in the law so your days on this land may be long and to work cassette young obowa ye nyankopon bebre nim alpha o munim na kwan obowa emfon o de edom papa e hwom hwe edom papa kuto mo man mu a o hwom sabi ebi mpo ya mrewa etu ka de fuani to sebia da etia me nanso pani midua mante kebia wetia nanso na bia wodi anidie ni obodi ama pani no se wanye ye no anye ne yekura at least manyansa nya adwuma bible say no bia ne tini wa fudwene kwa ne wojansa ye pani bi wa woni munyansa so ati ase ejebia akwai bible verse 50 wo ho akwanya se enka bibi se mutu na esiba bi ye obi ama ne da me pese yon koi papa kene Japan chai me fom ya onfa ncha me ti
na we odi for asedi asem na wo kanu o fom yesen onu so tini baby o en fom so ni fihin onu tini baby hye ne dem o woni ma wo hwe omo a wo dwen ho no go te obi gina baby obi o tini baby no obi gina baby so e ka na asema etwem a o ati akoda no asa akopege mu a wo ka se wo pe kwan edegu no fi na no we ni no eni hwan
unse ne the youth of this country be na mu ade unse Bible ka
se e
fa adi bo hu pa na
enti odi for me bi se wo say meeting baby me dream hu woni me nya ntokwa ni ukrapo nya ntokwa me nya katakasada ana etwem ana wo ye obibi me na baby kra me madwe ni so wo ye obibi no asa kobo ye ntokwa etwem so dada no asa kobo so wo ye so te se me ye din ahwewa na
Bible says
so you different
okay kan Proverbs 13 Bible says Proverbs 13 verse 1 kwa tidia so se nyansa ne nkwase asem o se oba nyansafo tie na eja atenyatene na ofadifo entie entwanim oba nyansafo etie na eja atenyatene na fadifo muntie entwanim ebia wotie se bia maka ho asem ebia difo me ne wonte sawo ne ba ne sen eba ne sen odifo chirechire mi mu ebia mato mi waso oba pa nje sa akwa me kan sem bi ena me de be ye mfato ho na nso akoma to yem but ye wo kwan ye dele nyansa ne nkwase asem ebu ebura nyansa ne nkwase asem pato ati ase obu anyansa bu ni ti se tam obi nso agimi se poto na akosie se nipa no a odi watem o respect ho honorable a vital woman like you na bia o gina kwa ho menwanum uni twa asere ya adomo mo twa che ko mo nka anima papa mfa ho se a well respected woman pa na nanum ofon sa no enchodu ogbekukwa no respect wa that moment only respect was citizen respect and now say you from honorable or command a whole lot of respect obuoni ani die so what you say eju Bible say ubuade a ubekwa chiri Proverbs members make kinkan quotations ni do so ubuade a ubekwa chiri eti enne mai Bible naka say emma atuatefo beba awofo ho asem aso denfo womo dwa ni gidi achi Nyankopon asem awofo ma aso denfo ene ne ehu no ene obi esilekwen obi ese enka papa emfa ene mebu no maba no banka ye the future of this country it is the youth depicted this actor kwan be ne yeko
odi for bi mu tabrem ebi mu so ka se empenifo bi etimi afa onabo I cannot the sefata krasa ko so munye ne se mu ne se Tracy bo ache die na wo ye no eni kwama nko no mo na se nko wo mo mfa no na se chopa bi a nko no mo emfa ntuda eni so wo mo fe onabo no ehu na asa kwa political season nti te se ko na egu no hu fi na egu party na ka onabo na ka party nti eno wo ma she da yet de o metwa so ta sem no mo kan so dwen wo se
me de meka se eye isan se papa no yo ni monyamfo so ati ase na wontimi meto animu pre emfa ntia pani etisa me na metie no eye me japan se ye ma me Tracy kan sa akasa no oyiya no with this clitoris ne memma said ye na me hu pre nyinyam na me wa asori you me ya asori wa me se awosi baby me hu pre nyinyam me hu nyinyam ti me du fe na me show TV na me connect man na ye show TV so me say awurade adi enkura ne begigi obai enka nkwa de oyo bampa ho ofe emma mo ofe kwa de mo nkasa bebere sa wo mo ntu o mo ntu beba no oti odin but entuma shan ni o mam so ati ase oye dia na nche so ye kwase ya wo oye dia na nche so agimi o sabi mpreduasa odo kase panyi nche ompo ha bia okaye odidi watam ena ye den wontia na ye den so what you say ntina mi bu be no yo pani bi o nyansa pa yo pani bi o so pani kwasia eno so be kan se ko ba sa be kan se eni obi a ne tiri won fudu bi a ne che so nyansa ena nya akola bi an so ne che se o ya akola yo akola bu a adwen se ne tiri cha wo pani a wodi 80 years but ye se mfo obuo ma de obuo se no ye mfa ni die ma de ni die se
me ba cho wo de nyina ho ana ye nwan mu bi abeka ye ho ewo chat no emuma me fa wo mo de no bi kakra double bar Eddie double say Mr. Ken can't do anything to Tracy. Expose you to say Tracy's life is at risk. Or no answer baby must say, Pastor, please, why are you attacking the lady personally? who ni say ase de when ni see yeah Tracy Sudodo be me fa double bad yeah e be more about it. I'm highly disappointed in you, Pastor. How could you talk like that? Double bad na be must say the man is not making the program interesting. You just hate Tracy because of her attitude. But who attack who first? We be say double bad be ma say you talk out of hate. Na me share glossy so at there what they about say. Do you know that the youth learn from anything nowadays? And truly this attitude that Tracy expected will influence others not to mind insulting elders, since she never regretted of her action to apologize. Teflon Don also there what they was saying more quotation. Glossy asa but they must say, please Ghana leaders don't sleep on this while this lady has disrespected a great man in this country. Her pride and her ignorance must be paid for. She must apologize. Double bar asa but they must say, Master, forget yourself. You have been high to speak against Tracy. God is watching. We'll be a high.
One city prayer.
Ever show a year adventure. Sana also when you're crying. I will tell you my cake at your mouth. So no so actually to live in your joint. You own your opinion. Obey me at your swimming. We'll be an identity. But my dear, share video way. Na never will chat no ebon my dear ebra. I will differ. It has right now and some no SUB. And go for say we can say money and after the or time. Tracy here with him. As the wa follow na ni bibi obeye bia eya time. Enu na wudi na so dia ka wontem.
Me ye diphobia me kan okore me kan pem. Enti me former church kro man twa ma me kura da. De tie ne se ma me nsan bie kotesi bio. No mu hu ne se nyame asem. Na okwa. Okay kan Proverbs 14 verse number 7 ye tibia se mo se onipa da asetena munyansa. Onipa da asetena munyansa osi tiri oba kwasia nchenko na wuru nhuru nimdie da tiri oba kwasia enchenko na wuru nhuru nimdie da Bible no refer to one
and they do wa search mu
so what you say okay kan Proverbs 41 bara so oba nyansafo ni sini dan na oba kwasia de ode ni nsa dwiri enka you a virtuous ladies you man nyansafo do wa chese Uti yes, we did respect of in the society. Ba obi na no ansamfo nko a. Yo bi so wa ye respect ba obi na no anyansa nko a. Ya tie wa na ha ye se me kasentia ye ma me Tracy Buachi. Obi a ni ho ba ye the Bible na ekasa. Enka akwala de enka se udi e wo papa afom wo tia na so kura. Hunu se de oni da be kasa. E bi mfa se enka papa ye papa kede na be ye. Fa ne se papa yi ye papa kede Japan ye papa. Enke die mpa na be papa yi etu ni papa uni mame sabi mpredi asa se nka o papa na eto mame o mpise yi e na akote ya de na be ye patwa tia se eye papa e na akoka bibi na age kire de eti be bia source ni fiba no oh e de na me ye ya akotu enyi na aba oh me ba eye se oh da we de mpa achew e de na be ba ananse papa kere Japan pachawa e ne beba emfa hwema brebre ama ne ma o ene ne unse enipa no bebre na ye uti bonkoso hwero na da ho yempe
na openi a wo kana sese na wo ka so beti akọ na so boko na tese no na akodi nkomo no to openi ni obi a ahantan ahye ne ma a tese oye too prideful a onti obi asema obeden akawa asema wasemedim
obi oye ahantan bia na se pride na so ni mu bia oye den there is weakness in that person ye wa de bia wa Bible say nkwasiafo kukum na abufuo tie obi a ne bufu kopema no pa bia obakwasia Bible ne naka enkwasiafo kukum na abufuo tie enti se unse nti na meka se unim Bible a o kasa wa mu bebanyam se binyansa asemu ma se ebe me nkasa na ma bi o mi gina tro so na me kasa me be man fa bibia ma se recording material recording bi no so what you say enti me ba the Bible na me de nam ene ne me nkwaso han ene na me de nante se kasa bibia obi enum nsa na se smoker Bible na me frɛ sa ayi quotation me gina so de akasa kire nipa no ba bi o to so na Bible na kire no tietia ana so bi odidi pani atam ya ye the Bible
o de ma me fa kakra na asaba biom Hamza Manda Edia there was no apologies. Dramani Mubarak as I say, you should talk to Ken. To Ken, Sana Opachem, sure. Augustina answer so Ebisa Semo say, I think our leaders are the cause of all this disobedience in the country. Double bar, I say you are all in support of Kennedy spoiling Tracy's reputation. Double bar, Ebisa say, I said the ye kasem your couple did not say for say Tracy Yensen young master ye beba so ye be ya mama. Expose you so Ebisa said the question who started it. Expose your name was who put fire in it. Glossy, Eso Ababiema say, Ghanaians don't support evil because it will come back to us. All those supporting Tracy for putting up such an attitude don't wish her well. Tracy must apologize because Kenneth can be her father. Expose GH Asababiema say, and who must apologize to whom? Double bar, say, I don't want to watch I said Nibu Yefu, Asemno Yakwetiano. Glossy, everyone say, I will never hate her for anything, but I rather want the best for her. Augustina answer so say Kennedy na ope ne ho Kennedy na ope na wama ne ho kwan. That's why the lady took him to the mad. Or say Kennedy na ama ne ho kwan. Ya cho perform kakra na chi no ne kan easy sa. Double bad, I said, they say, and watch the Kobia say, oh, your comment section, you buy for about. But yeah, addressing some of the issues now, Evan. Tracy, watching Ghana for your time now. Onye nipa.
Oye nipa. Maybe not me pronounce power, but the moment of starting the deep peniantem, once the Bible says, we made the deep peniantem, what's on one so?
Ni wasu mwabu ya bese openi kwasi aso ho.
Unse ye openi kwasi a onka se kodi na tamu.
Okay.
What you say? Ye openi jini fu onka se Bible ne nka se akwala kodi peni atam. Sabi obawi asija wa bobra na waduru baabi. Enka de fo obuo ni anidie enye ni sika mpofo ni sika to nkyai. For no aka sa personality jina o se oye pani. So what you say me nka ma papa ka na Japan e na me nka ma mama Tracy but for obuo de anidie se Bible says, "Elu na won kwana." Okay, in Exodus chapter 20 verse 1, ebe 15 a. Ewo. As the children obey your parents in the law. Elu na won kwa ebe ye tenten. Edem pofri mu wu ebe ba eyi the youth ni shi na afiwe mu. Obi timi di ni ma netem di ni papa atem no asono bo ni papa.
Yenwa no bi so e ka se empanifo no a ye from honorable no. Wo mu amu no womu no mama kwan a ebuo emom aturo betwa odina campaign ground so nsem waka oni say ade we pa de mintimi nye no aka no de ato youth no adwemu bebe a me de eduma mebia ma sika mu benye di no aka no de ato ntinti we obi say wo hyebo a wontimi ennu so we mu so na wo kasa ye be de di obuo de ma next time so be ka asem na etie obi a mebufo ya no beta so etie wa na wo kan say nim
Bible say aturofo nyina agya ne Satan. Enti obi otwa turo bi ya no ne papa ne Satan. O papa ne Satan ya.
O yira me kakra.
Me nyina o.
Me kasa ne se. Yenua Augustina and
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asodin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe
Too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho ena de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo amobia safa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaiah Kodwampo, obetumi afem the great tampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire. Me dey
Too Much GH. Me did akose Japan. Ebrebia mbese me TV me hwe Too Much GH.
Na enti apostle Augustine asem na obi sai no mpese wonti so yie e fama me Augustine a kire se empelufo da mu wo mu su ba mu dededi wo mu ne ye ka se wo mu timi ka de tu mebu ni tirim ene me ba akwan no de jai wo betwi afa so ma wa ka se woni beje ho sika me ma na buso eduma me ya ne bebre no obeba no ontimi nya o hwe le che kwan so a unya no no abiom sa de sika na gwenya na ese ko fa mo no ta de fine man nte se de keka ho na nu nti openi bi say honorable mo from honorable ye fa ni die mam na mo amo ase de ese honorable smooth ni so ye de ndi die edema ho
me da wano so papa na de tie ni se e ya mpanimfo ni se bi o mo ntwa kira o mo nti di ade no
odi fo na no wo fa atro no mu twa kire no so
me mfa so na o ka no kira kire Ghana ni a onto ma o age se o twa no tro sa na tie o ayi amamuoni o ka no kira penche kire no a se me ba sika no nemu me ba be pesika na me dia ya obeka choso kwa ye banza eju we ntwa ntro no a akonwa no ntibi medi
eju o mu kwaso ntwa atro ntre wo hu
ene no unse ene no anga se nipa na pa atro twa we ntwa na atro na onyu ni ba ka no kura no a masa so ba ntwa no tro no a eyi sa ari ye ntoma no ba no de esi uko ho
ye ntoma ni etuma na wanya ni ye da so egu
asa na da na akoso eju na otu na oye banyansafo badwema o steady na atimu se we de oye player oba be play oba be yusulia na nso ye sino so ati ase oba no be kan nsem kwa na be tutu papa so a ye ntoma ene mate honorable oba kwa ne de sino nya 0 so ati ase
ye ni se be
ye papa ebe ye
baby odi fo ka tsa pa dia menye so price obi anu be hadwe
o ebe ye
se wo mu nkoso a honorable fo ya wo mu nkoso ntwa ya tro
honorable no ma me twa tro a ontimi ni akonwa no so as a man penning for my baby this when chapter ontimi ni akonwa no ejo so odi atro twa bebre na no de kakra bi ta no kra kakra bi pia de no so ati ase
asofo we die ebrum so meja ma mo fa ma ben chere emra odi fo se honorable fo no mu nkoso ntwa atro no mu twa atro no na ebedi atum na u twa atro na u twa atro na mebunu so tie ye hu se wo hye wo ntimi ndu so ni ebu
o man na patro twa o man no ayetiri ntrom ye mpa no koreka eti every so be pimase o nyina ya sai ya mane ma ye papahwe akwa bi ne nabo eti me metwa nto a wonyimi ni ba me kan ko perfect say this is the situation on ground ba ka se mi ya sumesi pa onim sa de ne ta ona wo beto papa so eti be si akire me ba me se obo ano de si ko ho kokora ade beto not ni VH ni convoy ni na pa so what you say it is up for us e o si adwunu bie mo o si ya ni da ho mo no mu hu de ba bi o mu free ye de do mu kosi ho enyo ma no mu de mu kosi ho e ji so twa me to so be ba ma me adwuma no ma me adwuma nya next time me believe you
odifo se see a honorable aba point ya beka se wonu a we dem we chance sem no
yes ya mi shira
wo jina nkofo na obu omo a metunifo no efuto no so e de twitwa so
hu
be yin ase trace be pa na cho because ade no wa otu etwa so wa na do hu ba na osu se we twa so asem so metu afa me wedi
unse se opa na cho a ense hwe e de le be so na brabo me kwa de nkaminya opa na cho na nko ne ken entu nse didi sabe yefum kuma obi mfum nnwa wo mu ntu nse nye mfa security cameras ana cameras ensi wo mu sto mu didi oda dia me ye manye ni yodie dia me fumu enyaa no fa cheme efe pani ni ko bibi kwa ye mo be ya ma ana so no so bibi ye ma pani no be ya ma na akyere se ye nyina ye wodo sabe me di manu simu na me to ho pia se udia oda me pa chewo Deɛ me yɛ ma nyɛ ne yie. Me ya akola fa me phone so kyɛ me. Obi pa o kyɛ free ni mo bon se ni shuba. Obi su beti me shuba na mfiri ni mu. So what you say? Enti me deɛ enka for me ɔpacha wo papa na jam ɔpacha wa. Ensare da me srew. My young tune send ni ankle waves no. Sɛ bu yɛ pani MPP amamoko pani no. Mpani fo ka ho. Wodi mu atitire. Na nka yɛn clear the waves. Na wie mo nte han. E ma kyene nefo.
Ensem bi aba ewu hia pa mama enko so na yentwa nkomo no eso me fa efri yeah Florence Mensa sometimes said double bar ni glossy do mo konto kwanto mo tokwa ndo da so ekum omu ni a hu ni say we hu ni say Tracy dey enye we see Tracy dey na oye na no kwan so anu no mama fa Florence Mensa say God bless you man of God, you are right, she's not respect, her life is short. She's not respectful. Her life is short. Thanks, guys.
Yes.
McLeod Parker also Edibiaba say, has Tracy come out again? Kumi Michael say Tracy sold her soul for death.
Oh.
Double bar Abba say,
bless you.
You people are part of bad attitude on the country. That is why Ghana is not moving on well. Me sure pastor what they will. Send a walker say again. Me sure pastor one what they will. Minister Darlington also idea what they about say Tracy should be matured. She has to grow. No need of going down cause she's young. She must respect. This is total disrespect to herself.
No correct.
She's too beautiful to act like that.
Oh.
Glossy Asa baby. Tracy Bache must apologize because it is right to apologize to your father when you offend him. And besides that, we know that Kennedy is just like a father to her. Cassie men on us about saying, for how long are we going to continue like this? We are one people. The earlier we realize this and live together as such, the better for us all. Glossy Asa say, it is time for Ghanaians to learn and support what is good than allowing bad behavior ruling our country. Expose GH SOSA. I think they should apologize to each other.
Oh.
Expose GH or say, let's call a spade and bury the hatchet. We embed. Augustina answer also say respect is reciprocal. So don't you think that if the elders respect themselves, all these little ones will do the same? Blooming with Ruth. Ghana, for this is very disgraceful between Tracy and Honorable Kennedy. Blooming Ruth Asababima say, hi house, I hope we are all good. Yes, yeah, was super. Glossy. I say, he's saying that because we Ghanaians rather enjoy hearing lies than truth. That's also false. So, maybe I throw on bad there. Glossy, Asababima say, yes, God bless you, Papa. Country milk, I say, Abu. Blooming with Ruth, I say, well done, Kennedy, for letting everything go.
Bless.
Country milk, Asababima say, it will never happen. I'm say, a chopano and work on was him.
It will happen.
And love you, Albert. And so dear about say, I want to know if Tracy Bachi's parents are alive.
Oh.
It's either her parents have disowned her or they are very stupid to watch their daughter behave like that. Blooming with Ruth, also about say, yes, I agree with the guy. Tracy must apologize. Country milk will say, why you want Kennedy to poison Tracy to join hands together eating a poo?
See that.
And so what's now okay so want to say did not say Kennedy de no be hu say na bibia kofre bia no.
See that.
Blooming with Ruth or say Albert, I second you. Expose GH about say TBH Ken didn't do well. Same as Tracy, they are both disgracing Ghana. Oh. Country milk, also Ababiamati. Kennedy has to respect his age. Augustina answer also say, to cut everything short, Tracy must apologize as well as Kennedy. Forget them or say, I'm in the room now. Yehumpa. Everything over there, let's share now. Wajin channel Fabra. Expose yet as Ababiamati say, welcome, forget them. Or it's a man or Aquaba. Answer, she won't apologize. And Tokana shall save him. Dorcas Babejo also say, Daddy, I thank you for telling the truth. Raymond Nunu say, Blooming with Ruth, I say you guys are doing a great job. Continue with the good work. Yes, we had the share video no. won paso no obu ne pa e won kola so na obu mu pa won so am ye debu no kresa
no kore unse Bible say Openia ring out.
na te say wo beba no beba acho ana
Oh, me minim so no abobema no kwa na pacha. Me gidi.
Uti nchire.
I strongly believe.
Wo mu bienu ni aye akukudu fa kompre kufo.
There be sabe Mami Tracy oye akwala. So what you say? Oh da me pa ocho. Ubu nkotodwe in the first place. E kire obuo ni anidi. So what you say? Da manye ni ye magu mu ani masi bebiri ma to ho mpe bebiri. Ti me pa ocho, me papa fa cha me. What you say? Se mpo me na me fom ya. E na ekotwe we nyina ba fa cha me. Anka bema Ghana for kwa beto ma NDC. Me na me ka kire o.
Ade Tracy NDC manager na.
Onye NDC manager but unse se ubu pani bia unse o my Ghana so empanifo ni pe akwala ubu ade patro aja se okay in Mark chapter 7 verse 10 ba Bible say akwala obe kasa chia ni mami ana ni papa ni sa akwala ni be wu ntem Mark chapter 7 Mark 7 verse 10 eba be pem 12
okay
so what you say oye san obe clarify waves nim hey sa mami Tracy ku aye kase enani abria oni ne hu twabre se no buade sa ei maame nyame nsira wo nyame mankwatenti na ade na wo kriti ye no sa small sin na koye ye no e ma nyame akomato no apepa enti so wo bi kwa na eba Kristo begina sa ade no so de mankwatenti Mark 7 verse 10 dio ba kasati ane na ana na eja no ene ni obi a wo nkwa na yo papa na so maame so what you say o papa ti betim lu abawi asbat obi na behewo
odi for sana be ye nye nyachum no e say wutu ejamuafo na o say tu momone sofu etimi srawo the Tracy and wa akoya akolapa no kaseti openi nu tu na wo de esem no eba ye no so de na obeka afa no
de me ka say daddy ayo oba
daddy o enye ni oyo oba bokoso openi tese wo akoka akola no ho no asem ye ka nye ne bokoso te ase de o ba be fa no so ta e na o ya ye ba
ye papa ne de me mfua no so de bat oyo oba fa ne se o man mu ba ko e na owo atuate akoma enti se de oba kase tia wada enti ba bia do ba ko gina sumpie so do ba ko gina yi e to ba ho mpi e kan ne pa fa ho onu abo meto so arma so yu da on kwaso so what you say enka papa mfa ho enti se oba adunso gu na so ade sikan betwa ya pepa sa akwala na abatia na watia no akwala nso fo obuo e ma papa anaso maame hunu sa honorable obetima yo papa na maame ti penkro ebi ko betima nyichu maame no papa pa to atia na se enti nka umpa na nyina respect bra ho ase humble yourself we na ye dey obro wan se hambo wa e de rade ko peja mo Bible say obi ye no jejeje enso yo hia ni obi ye no sikari enso hia ne che obi a obeka ne say
we dey mami enfa comment ka me bo me ho mo dey meet me kan na because I don't to pa but to me jump so a mo fa che ma mo bo dia enfa ma dwen no emra we me fa edi efi Elizabeth O2 edi so say Tracy doesn't respect amposanya ko say I'm watching from Hamburg. Forget her. Yama kwa bashokotia. We bush a phone adofon ya emaye. Owusu Kofi eso edia. There was it. Get to so from Libya. Tracy, calm down and apologize. Your child will Libya honor.
Bless you.
Prophet. Forget them.
So what you say?
Or no party. Only forget them. The only menu the thing.
Why?
Say kwa ya opeso kra. interaction and commodity, a bit more frequent the should be. Sandra Amono Edia what I say, both must apologize to each other. Aban main Bangate, Eto Edia what I say, Kennedy doesn't respect himself. Abrawa Naomi, Eto Edia was assemble debi. One was BM and now okay, Agbama Magnet say, why don't you? When to me anchor MVA, Akos mother, Eto say, we have to think about the youth. And Agbama Magnet as Ababim say, Kennedy shouldn't have bring Tracy in his political issues. Kofi Mark also said those who are insulting Tracy must stop because she is someone's daughter. She is not campaign message. Kwabena Ofosipu Ama also said, I've always believed that however right you are, your mode and medium to communicate your displeasure could either make your issue seem worse or wrong. Forget them. Forget them. Maminya mehomie why. Daniel Kweku Aqua said this lady Tracy has been cursed by her mother in UK. When caught with the stepfather and the curse has taken place. So please, my fellow Ghanaians, remember Tracy in your daily prayers. Asema okay there. You said that will be sawa sia. Bet me achirem. And don't forget them yet, baby. I say, Master, stop the bad support of Kennedy. Glossy, as I say, Tracy cursed herself the day she decided to insult Honorable. But the curse can only be reversed after she regrets of her actions and apologizes simple, according to the word of God. Ephesians 6 verse 1 to 2. Esther Deity, as I say, Tracy slept with her mother's husband, so she is out of order. And so she is disowned. You bet me one. Agbama Barnett, so Edia say it is Kennedy who gave birth to her. And Obisa, is it Kennedy who gave birth to her? Abraham Naomi Ebiemu also say they should cut everything short. We don't have passports. We need peace. Ghana.
Bless. Forget them. Only Madame Glossy so enya. See Madame Glossy. Stop your hate. Why? Agbami Eto Ababi say Kennedy should respect himself as an elder. Kwabena Ofosupu Ama, I don't side with Kennedy and how he deals and communicates, but Tracy shouldn't have gone down the gutters with him. If one decides to be silly, why be silly to prove a point? Double bow say, who is this glossy hate cry? Kwame Bright, LBM say Kennedy, Japan talks too much. Raymond Nuhu, this is ridiculous. Me who the opatre mumba, onedi no elso no. Felicia Kunedu, as a good evening to you all guys. Good evening to you too. Blooming with Roof, as a Daniel Kweku Aqua. Daniel Kweku Aqua, really? Minim se wonu obi so nyawa, we say entokwan de bi wo obi mo ko. Glossy, as I said, honestly speaking, I want the best for her, and I want the peace of Ghana to be with her, but she must do what's right and acceptable first. Nyako, Kennedy, Japan doesn't know when to quiet. He's got daughters. He's got daughters. Does he have the right to humiliate her in public? Mentioning her name in public was bad. He's putting her life in danger. Double bar BM or say your Kennedy talks too much. Kennedy Ofosupu Ama, and I think our constant interest in their issue is what is giving them the room to do all this. If we ignore them and gave them no attention, they surely would have stopped by now. Yeah. Nyako also say Kennedy Japan talks too much by mentioning her name in public. Felicia Kunedu Bra Kwame, can you insult your father? I'm asking. Into Kwame Bio. Kwame Bright also beside say Kennedy Japan thinks Ghana is for him. He's doing all because of political power. Expose GH say I learned Tracy isn't in good terms with her mom because she slept with her mom's husband. The same allegation about him. Who be Sammy? Really boy, LBM say anybody who insults an elderly person didn't have good manners from home. Even if he insulted you first, you can't insult back to your father. Really for mortar. Your child double bag, that's why any glossy kuntokwa. Kwame Bright, the so-called man of God, is afraid of saying against Kennedy. Also slow honorable. Oh.
Yebeba so. Se usro na abetire mu atire mi.
Correct.
Kofi Bismarck SOSA. You think people are all hypocrites when Ken did is what Ken did is nonsense. He don't respect anyone and he don't respect women in Ghana here. Ken is not above the nation. Ebo Ayisi SOSA. Look at this Tracy, the caricature insulting Ken. Agba mean Kennedy thinks money is everything. 9 TVC. Do you think TB Tracy Bati has mother and father? Johnson AJ, good evening or good evening, Yachaupa. Felicia Kunedu said we should respect our elders. Nation 1, it is very dangerous for her. Benis Ama or see Tracy should be careful about what she's doing because Kennedy Japan is a big man in Ghana. So let's tell Tracy about what she's doing is wrong. Nana Nyako will really boy if an elderly man deserves respect themselves. They get what they deserve. Kennedy Japan thinks he is God in Ghana. Comment no the doso pana. We best here for the meantime. Now honorable. Me ko ka honorable asem. Odifo. Honorable nko for ka say honorable kasadudu. From previous time, I said the honorable only go back to say Emma expose the crowd as for FM. So now what describing ma as what come matter say ma e we nyan so na wo kra wo sha say wo kra say usuban ya say honorable. Say ma wo nyan and ma ye say and ma ye say na ma ye Jimmy for ne science in sem keka no. It akwa say ogu a wo ni ma emma no enu no odina so e dey ekaseti atrocity so e so improving the point and also e so on chance on so your ba no ba so di mu enti no yes I to buy no ye can no na te say ye dey sem no honom na
ye tiene say unse e ma bebiri na ya kohwifo
odi for wo so kebi
Debi o me the Bible na nam ya papa ke na Japan senka osesa be sofo a kan hu be hu bia tie Proverbs chapter 30 Proverbs 30 verse number 10 sorry Proverbs 31 verse number 10 e kasa bebiri Bible say oyire pamwa ne benya wan kasa oba oni amanfo de dawo ana oba okwa wosia ana oba ofo yefunu yiguo ema bebere hu nyan me nkasa ma nyina o ye sorry me ma me ho ye wo ema bi o mo respect wo mo ho Bible say me ye ema bi kwa se mema so what you say ena ema bebere na no wo attitude no mo ye bia won oba ti bi twa ne sire mbatu social media na nufu sabe ni sisi ne tuasi nyina egu ho ebi mutimi twa mo nya manja pade ni ane kakra sa tie enti brante bi respect wo ene se me catch na gi se ema nyina nye papa wo majority Debbie, sorry for that. Men feel offended. The American majority of the ladies, ya fifth woman do kakrebi na respect woman. Kakrebi. Proverbs 31 verse 10 was so yere pa wan ne benya. Ni boye den.
Ese no bi aso ne be ware o. Ana wo ye oyire nkwa na obuo.
Yesu Kristo sie ma asase so be multiply asase so.
Na ti wo ware nkwa na obuo wo ho ana.
O say Bible say oba di wani munyam die. Said the nka mo be bodi mbone de nka nyawo so ne ukunu but what you say enti nya ne kwan se me ka se ma nyina ho nyan da bi me twuma no fom
okay
aje se ma nya no ho nyan e ma bi majority of them ho nyan because of yani we da ne yi abos na fom what you say na anwuma ba sa bi enti so ba no obetima bompa be 10 years you won't feel that obefi say Yesu ni ruafu but oni ye ni usuban no e na akotwe we gina abrew but what am I say
baby a uka say manya ya koshifo de mesro pa so be
matwema no oho enye say manyina majority of them e na ma bebre na respect wo mo bebre na buo mo pa o on pere manfo ni we nani meyefom so what you say wo manum ka say de oba ne nipa kotimi say yes we are titina fifie what you say
okay
njenye say o my say mo tene sa me twema no for my sorry for that
okay oh do for we yes say sem ni mu kakra na say na what we mu ansem bi ebeto odwa no wo sofo apia sofo biblical na what ne kan mu wo ko ni baby you video no dey see o video na me describe o code baby ni yet say ye pa no kronfo just a cash crab be that say wakobia iPhone 8 Plus obi o te de claim mu code baby go bia iPhone 8 Plus na no nti ye gina so e twe de fika ni mu e bro no prepra no tete na tare a ehye no ye kokko tie kira maami agrada konfo ba wo tender TV ye ne de etini station say wono en wo suma ye say ye nkodi no say aduma ne ye nkwache no esa sika bia ebre bi atwem 10,000 Ghana cedi bi o de man say won ko fama netu the see show host kweku anan se won fa nka na nuntum enti ono agrada ensem na sika na nya ma ekire kweku anan so anye na sansa ne cha meteto no enti no otu sa na mo no Ghana fobi ka se dabi kwanya mame no enam so ebo abrante no kronfo eni ebiem so sama nkofo brim na te se nya nyakopompo de di no afofie kran ko bi betima tam bibi ade abodi trim eku ne kwa a te se ye nwe chase because ni se Ghana ade come up justice there echezu so aso ne ye bebre na nyamitimi di no afofie na wo timi konti hu be nya pass agrada ye be su ni because of them no ahye ne sem science no oni omo kasa no mo ya adwen
ensem we de me sekura fem ma me nyina Bible so na me mfa nkasa Bible sin say me say Solomon bua ni nyansem but what you say okay kai Proverbs 10 verse number 12 o say otan ehenya ntokwam otan ehenya ntokwam na de okata ne mfunso nso no onyina so what you say otan number 1 adenti no bi du ka obesuma enkofo bi si enkoche ne ne mu ne tse kronfo Ghana ye ne dia kronfo agada se kronfo agada Ghana ye ne dia is that lady above the law na Ghana mpani fonso na medu om ho yaw o kronfo ba ne wa bia TV station na mama ne lance so on operate enso kronfo be tina TV station mo bande sauti ade na se a confirm TV station Ghana mpani fo bande na dey tina confirm grada no be TV station na mama ne lance so operate TV station emu da first place yem fon ko oni sofo ni nsam so osofo de enka woni confirm bai e dia nyonkufa pa ne da mo ntem e dia suma sigadi na mudi a epi ohan mu ni etima bo pa se yankoti asumesi ano benten ni yammo ne tsa kromfo unsa mo interview me catch am say ebia na ntisa samu we be private interview mo interview me ka se ebia me dia me nyintum se waye but sempo so waye ne sampa na what you say enti so be do ka zari hano issues ana sana Ghana constitution law sign wom obi do ka kona kobo no na obulu no fam wu ya enko no sumpan fo ne ho be che na se beja no unse Ghana han se empa no kure ye nka no kure I tell you na da yo wa be sane no obe hu de besi ena empa fo ni na to asawura emu ni pampa no kure ka o ka no kure ne tao enka konfu ba de obi a TV station say who's kakura pa ni kwansi allow a confirm ba TV station ebe ye lotto numbers ni omo be za manfo no omo bande om challenge na confirm ba bi TV station na mo ma no operate
ori fo jina oho no makaka no eso
we nyina se Ghana a Christian country we nyina yei ya se Ghana a Christian country ye ba 2021 ye ni mu a ke so na de che Yehova o de men kasa
jina suma me me busuafo we de mesre we asesa ensem no ni kakra ye wura eye okonfo ba agrada kwan ya wonam so de osofo biblical osofo apia efa so ne ka dan a osumama ekofo timi edi lechi kobo no konfo chene bru no tatete na tade ne nia edane 10,000 Ghana cedis a wo de ema ne se wo enfa koma kweku anan na 2 TV hosts senia expose baby ebe mu atese ne keka ye bubo asofo echi ye yi nkofo enyema so makata edi atu abonte no se wo pe kwan na tese for a no to me kasa nti o de betu just on de adoma che de anyakopɔ de dom ne say na no ya kasa nti na o kasa anyhow otumi ya na ajese otumi ta gada akokɔ no ene betumi de ekire saa akɔpɛ na atese bro ene krɔfo ne de bo no na atese de eche no na no na tete ankɔfo bi sa say na agrada ede no efa kwa no de fa so no de hu be nya pa say onu agrada na amu no wo so fo be ka yi ebesu no ma ti na to because we tie ne fa hu de so tia wono ne fa hu de say Ghana ni say wotimi enya freedom no almost me movie or how bia emeche no wetia ne sa fa hu de no eso so mo ne ya adwen so a bomodia ne fa ebra ne fa so me e comment section honom no enti odifo yes abra ntem no eso biem ye dwedie anase komodi e koso e wa grada eno so for biblical entem no na wo mumienu entem asem sike isu ye de maye se fa ne kochia wo bika woni pay better TV so say wa ni sika no na to tani nya no echi asem ye ni obi ntie ntimi nkyere
nokura pa
wa ni sika no asem no so a wa nkada ya ante se woka okonfo ba grada asem we mie nsem so dupia we dupia manfo allegation se dia ba no wa nka ho asem ninti ye nim se Ghana for ye ni so ene ye kata nsem so ye beka se ya ni sika no ena say ena osofo bilibika ya so di to da say sika no wa pepe mu odu ho no ma no pipe sika no mu nti eba ne san ena wo di sika e di asoma say fa kwa buta ye say e di mame na di pa na wo di soma ye no so beka na sen foforo na ono so betire mu say ma pipe sika le che o sa koda ne ka say sika no me ka say fa kwa ye say mame say nipa no so wanya anya a ena wo fam sika man to de me ka na nuti ka dan no o asoma say yankopo no pine crofo ohonum kakra no betimi aka bibia fa ho
me da wanu ansini matifo mo hwemo de tie ne se unse abada hwaye makraman kaye yo so ati ase mi bube o se abada hwa ye makraman kaye ebi abusa ho se mpo sa asofo no oye o party na kora na okoye bibia ma kora se uye pani bi mpo a dwen no ho se nka ebi sa asofo no ebia ne ho ye wawe bibia ni ne ho edi so di atu anim so apapa esikani mu no e guarantee so wedi no kura ma empre bi pen edi nka eyo buo ni ani die kura no a enka fo buo ni ani die ma sa asofo no so ati ase
okay
obia wo papa mu de ba me ma da se betua ka no ena on a more serious note adenti na sofo oni konfu ba ekoye adwuma ede na eba ho
enti o mu tiri nya ayokofo de se
ede ayokofo me chemetima kwa kofa mala madamfo anase okonfo a opapa ngohwegu ni timi fra abosom
na se madam ni business enti business partner ti wo de akonfo lie me so de asofo
ede business
na ni se anya business tamoye
me pa che anya business womo na what you say womo but I had anya business so be ade ni mu a odi kwa dwundwum kura ho ntiase okonfo de o ye awrade achiwade kese bosom no si awrade achiwade kese enti adenti na o from say man of God na ni konya silent no ye every infa sa dwuni free
mama fa ye nuanu bi adwentra wo mo e about say we fit Teflon don or say agrada pa okonfo pa and you organize boys to attack someone and then we bosom no omada na bi muso timi kasa pa
aya no kura no kam
agba me eso ababie mo say like he did to those his colleague fake pastors. Forget them, I say forget glossy the hate. Hey, ain't forget them, that's why I come. Felicia Kunedu say Apia and Agrada are the same. Also me a pet. Expose GH say Teflon acts again. Expose GH name Wasababe was say the pastor is fake as well as the Okonfo too. Funny world. Daniel Mreku say at Teflon, I'm just surprised and poem. Felicia Kunedu say Apia always cause confusions. Felicia Kunedu say Agrada is too wicked. Donald Stecky Ade Nedie Abba was say so the Okonfo had to hire someone to attack the guy. Expose GH beside himself. Owusu Bempa cases are working on the pastor. And ITV will say, please tell the pastor to stop wasting his time. Ghanaians don't like the truth. only lie is the key in Ghana. One day, people will remember Honorable Ken. God is with him. And it's upon Eso Edia about saying, Agada is a criminal and an armed robber. Apiatu is a scammer. Both are smart folks. Teflon Don Kasa say, Agada pa who's the kings. Your bala all you day. Your bala all you day. Organized boys. Fanfula or Comfort. Apia has been cursed by most of Ghanaian pastor. Expose GH there. And no. Augustina answer also say, Agada must be arrested. It seems our laws are not working. That's why people do anything they want. Night TV to say, please, pastor, don't waste your time. God is watching them all. Oh. Double bar. So Agada chop my friend money. I friend I can't credit double bar. What they do? Kendall, as I say, if you listen to the initial video, Justice Annan asked Apia to take the money. It was a gift to Apia. A key, mami na wa. Ampa, kwekuana. Wow, the buyer, the smart house so fire. She said, oh, mammy, I was a friend, come up, papa. Now, I do papa, no, papa, the accredi. Oh, my meeting, but you know, chicas where we are now.
Unse, asemu ye tasilo banyansa fo. Chile mwadam funa minchilo ni subani. So ati asiye, chile mwadam funa minchilo ni subani. Ati asiye, sedi ye nati ye ne saa na ejati ye, sedi ye ne bati ye ne saa na papa nunsu tiye. Ejwe diye ebiyem. Ena unse, ene Ghana no kredi ayira. So ati asiye, enka we ye papa Jerry John Rollins ne time one. Entempa. So what you say? Nti we de enka asem no mu da opefe. Obaba po what you say? We de a good case. Ghana mpanimfo nsom. No mo omfo mo nsisum pie no so. Tie.
Na ebi mo so ka se sika no in the first place class kamo from so me ade cry say ka ban for the santo so because for bribe Ghana so ye mra bribery and corruption. Who the co bribe enyantum eti mu mienu kra po mu ye mfom so anke mra no nkwa se be chimu na fom so we ti wasa afechire say woni wani ni ye nti usa akochi no abono ana hono no ni omunya adwensa
me die unse bible so se ti kromfo awi akete a ye mfare ma police me nyina bibia me gina haso.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you. Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you. Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you. Too much
GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much.
And now the Odifo. Mummy no esuma so jan wedi. Who ye kronfo? Oso asem kaya mesre. Oso yourself. Osofo no confirm modely in bribery. Bribery here tia aye aban enhyehyede na say yemra na ade deal ye bad deal anadumu de so asem na ata akobone a wo se wonti ase we to asum no to comfort de e ke we de say ka ofa no lie
unse kire mu adamfo na me kire oni suban unse asem ye taso no banyansafo me enye se mabusa mi anka asem nka me nka ho asem because me hu ni se eye jimisem so ati ase eye jimisem say osofo de ade na akoy eram boy e ma konfo ba chese nyansa bi akura nim ye wi a chire hu na akwa adwam this year the whole Ghana obi anim say osofo ayi KKYY ZZ say no tie e say dia osofo bi nso gu ne hu anim ase say oni suban osofo bi o Ghana bi an na ye adwuma na da mi nso yo osofo asawo so what you say o ye osofo asawo
ye nwanu bi ade nsem bi abeto hu mi hia pa say kenkan bi
e dey mu gu nyame anim ase sa
yemfa Daniel Meku o say at Comfort what be your P the pastor is telling the truth. Double bow say Apia is not a pastor, so stop tagging him as pastor. Them all fake and fraud. Teresa Owusua, my namesake. Me child will be a one. Semo Owusua, Obo me mami. Daniel Meku Ababe was say too much GH. Your presenter is very good, pa. I love her. I love you too. Teflon Don Abba was say Agrada used to be wanted at Sotum police station for duping people of several millions. And today, she's here organizing gang to beat someone up for duping her. We are saying, enye deo, kromfo agrada. That's a kromfo no one was saying, also kromfo agrada. We so free. Daniel because fake everywhere. Fire burn them all. Teflon Don say nana ama oho aye feye me da se wo ho. Eya no twa won kakakra. NS upon at Teflon Don say agrada has bought also Sotuom police. Unless police headquarters, no Sotuom police will ever step at her doorstep. Hey, no correct. Daniel Meku say go higher too much GH. And I say 9 TV so say now Ghana is full of darkness. If you're a real prayerful person, it's clearly showing. I've always seen darkness in GH. Please, Pastor, please, we need to pray for the nation. God is watching. Daniel Meku say, I myself go arrest that woman, Apu. Teflon Don say, Odi for Kawadrin, me feel rough. Double Bar say, I met Agrada. I met me to say, if I meet Agrada, I go beat her for chopping my friend money. Daniel Meku at Teflon say, she's mine. Why? I love her. 9 TV. Some churches and TV stations should be closed down faster. No, Mami Macbeck, SOSA. Agrada should rather be arrested. Johannes Etman, SOS say, good evening, madam. Greetings from Germany, Frankfurt. Minister Chow Pam. Ophelia Kweku about say, Wano wo pa. Hey, that's in me shirao. Now I ready. Mamifa Felicia Knedu Nefa Entratom. Apia is a stomach pastor. O say Apia no yefun no didi wontin. Yeah, ye no yefun asem. Now odi for where ye di AC. Ye ka se boni ensuma. Se wudi boni aboni nwa so na amane ebebem. Eti se wakosuma se akoye bribe mokodu mu nkomo. Mudi kodi boni anye ye no asa di boni ni bi. Ni e di boni se twa so ka we usu ni wo mu ne sen. Su na wo mu ne ene sen.
Unse
ba no ka na di esi amame.
Ye wo dwane no ni ma bi otete. So what you say ene oman Ghana no kore kan nim. O kan no kora ye tan. So what you say dem kan no kora difu bi e tata me. E ha ma bi because of no kore kan ye kanti. So what you say enti ene no kore kan ankasa enyi oman nim. Na denti na nka me difu maba mo TV station ha. Na nka me kan no kora na nka wo difu be fo am so no. Wo so sa so re etia me. Ka ke so de eye fair. So what you say Bible say that shall not steal. Eradi tirobi o komfo eradi tirobi a owiade anase okromfo ene komfo de nka mo nyina de mo ye baako mo ye adwuma mama papa Satan enti ye mu de enka aye fair game police won ko hande wo mo mienu so ati ase o mo ko hande wo mo mienu na ye mfa de ayi baby asam de ye mfa de pomansi ni pomasi bre so ati dan ka asumdwe mra.
Okay.
Kawe bianka, edia na we be kawe na we aka no we aka no we di atam da bi. Omo close TV station down because e comfort dia. O comfort obi TV station say. Na omo be gina TV so omo close TV ayi omo close omo ayi. E o TV stations.
Hono kakra de Ghana ye mra no support all the villages here. Makwan so obi an so.
Na den tina a comfort ni gina TV so omo yi to na machine de omo close.
I don't know omo de jinko 40 card.
Sa Oma we pa nukura ni mu o nana nukura ni na da Yehowa beba wo be hu de ye be hu
Okay, you better try inside than you would ye be home. Now, Ebusia for and a day, aha, and a emre, and I acquire, am I did you make no AC? Man, answer a mede ebesino, person making a craving so abeka, a year comment no, I see all dear cranona, yefa, and comono AC. Way if we Daniel Miracle or say at a small GH. No, he's fake, and fake rather this time will come seriously. 9 TV as I say. Yes, your pastor is real. Mame Macbeth as a Ghana laws favor the rich only. And no the asemu. Mame Macbeth as a pastor, so it's a greater right to arrest appear. Eba cho yina no mame. Or say a greater or who can say wait me ache or so for appear na.
Oni kwan. Kromfo wi ade na kromfo ba be wi a o ko chene sei. Kromfo wi ade na kromfo akowia na o ko chene sei.
Okay.
So what you say?
Okay.
Where am kwasi asemu? Kwasi ade.
9 TV said, tell him to be straight. Your pastor there is real. God bless him. Gideon Yani, the host, is also part of Rude Ladies. Really? Menya rude. Sorry. Felicia Kunedu, I say, Ghana law deal with only poor people.
Oh.
Glossy Glossy, I say, the truth hurts. Daniel Miracle, I say, at Gideon come out for there. The presenter is right. Hey, one on the mami. Hey, Daniel Miracle. Teflon Dawn, I say, karma always works. She'll be duped more than this. She's reaping what she sowed. Very soon, it's her oracles that people will steal. And to apply Yevia, na agrada bosu. Gifty, so Ebidibia, but see, hey, I'm late today. Greetings from Holland. Yes, yeah, Chelsea, Ghana. Quentry Berma Edmond, as I say, Ghana is the most interesting nation. Pray for your nation, Ghana. Dorcas Babedo, as I say, Daddy, I like the way you talk. Exposure, as I say, please, can I get the presenter's number? I want to marry her.
Hey,
Teflon Dawn, I say, great show. Kudos to you both, Nana Ama and Prof. Mame Magba, say thanks, Pastor. God bless you, Pastor. Yes, so you bet Jina. Hani adamunia se mumma program yi shonko. Mo comments no na very vital. And kumoyi echo ye because mo so mo de mo suggestions by matter bibia echo so wano niti minisi no na me channel say obego mo dia na wa subscribe to your channel yi na bi so wa follow on all the social media platforms. Instagram, na Twitter at @tumagh_. Facebook so @tumagh. And I am Obusa enemy. Nyame adoma debesai edi shape makramo. Bye.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.